Hi, my name is Caroline Meadows, and today I'm going to talk to you about different high intensity interval training modalities and how they affect inhibitory control in ERPs. So, you've seen in the previous literature that acute aerobic high intensity interval training, or HIIT, has demonstrated positive effects on inhibitory control in young adults. However, when it comes to the practical aspects of HIIT, incorporating both aerobic and aerobic resistance training in accordance with the underlying neural mechanisms, the evidence is not well established. Therefore, the purpose of this present investigation was to examine the transient effects of a HIIT aerobic and HIIT aerobic resistance program on event-related potentials during an inhibitory control task. So for the study, we had 24 participants, young adults between the ages of 18 and 30, and each participant completed 3 days of testing, so 9 minutes of the protocol, followed by 20 minutes of EEG cap preparation, and then 30 and 85 minutes following exercise and rest. They completed our inhibitory control task, which was the flanker task. For the HIIT aerobic condition, they completed a warm-up and cool-down, and then 3 rounds of a minute and a half on, minute off, and they completed this on the treadmill at 90% of their max heart rate. For the HIIT aerobic resistance condition, they completed a warm-up and cool-down, and then same thing, 3 rounds of a minute and a half on, minute off, except they had AMRAPs, as many rounds as possible of a shuttle run, jumping jacks, skipping, air squats, high knees, walking lunges. So the more practical aspects of HIIT. And then the rest condition was a 9-minute educational video. In regards to our results right here with the feeling scale and heart rate, we can see that our rest condition is the yellow, our aerobic condition is the navy, and then our aerobic resistance condition is the gray. For these two graphs, the main thing to look at is that rest stayed the same over time, and for our interval conditions, we see these periods of increases and decreases. Moving on down to the flanker response accuracy for the congruent condition and incongruent condition, we can see that both for congruent and incongruent, participants were more accurate 30 minutes following exercise and rest compared to 85 minutes. And then moving on to the reaction time for the flanker task, congruent and incongruent, we can see that regardless of the 30 and 85 minutes, that the congruent condition responded faster than the incongruent condition. In regards to our neuroelectric results, our ERPs, we used the P3 ERP measure of amplitude and latency. And through the results, we can see that there were no significant improvements or decrements. So together, both combining the behavioral and neuroelectric results, following HIIT and seated rest, the data suggests that the inhibitory control and neuroelectric underpinnings are not affected by the different modalities of HIIT, but they do possess implications for promoting healthy physical activity behavior in a time-efficient manner. Thank you.